I'm Dr. Louis Guillory. I've been a general dentist doing dentures for 12 years. Typically, when people have a denture that starts to not fit them well, they turn towards adhesives. The problem with adhesives is they can be very frustrating because as you're functioning, as you're chewing, as you're eating and drinking hot and cold liquids, the adhesives can melt and they can be washed out. And you can lose some adhesive on this side, and then all at once my denture is sagging, but it's still holding on this side. And then the other thing too, obviously, they don't taste very good. So the nice part about DensureFit is the fact that we can put that thin layer on here, we can put it into our mouth and get the perfect seal, and you don't ever have to worry about it just kind of washing out or falling or anything like that, because you do get that intimate fit between the denture and the tissue. And so then you're better able to function, you got more confidence, you don't have to worry about going out to eat and being like, oh no, my teeth are sliding.